Welcome again to Let's Learn Garifuna, Aprendamos Garifuna. This is a series of educational videos designed with people who want to learn how to learn to read and speak Garifuna like me. In this lesson, we will learn about forming nouns. Nouns may be formed by adding the suffix ni or ni to infinitives, forming adjectives. Adjectives follow the nouns they modify. Adjectives must agree with the gender, masculine or feminine, and number, singular or plural, of the nouns they modify. And using adjectives to form sentences in Garifuna, an adjective and noun can form a complete sentence, implying the use of the to be verb. Feel free to leave your comments and suggestions on what subjects you would like us to develop a lesson on. Thank you. Bienvenidos nuevamente a Let's Learn Garifuna, Aprendamos Garifuna. Esta es una serie de videos educativos diseñados con personas que quieren aprender a leer y hablar Garifuna como yo. En esta lección aprenderemos sobre la formación de sustantivos. Los sustantivos se pueden formar añadiendo el sufijo ni o ni a los infinitivos, formando adjetivos. Los adjetivos siguen a los sustantivos que modifican. Los adjetivos deben coincidir con el género masculino o femenino y el número, ya sea singular o plural, de los sustantivos que modifican. Y usar adjetivos para formar oraciones en Garífuna. Un adjetivo y su sustantivo pueden formar una oración completa, la que implica el uso del verbo ser. Siéntase libre de dejar sus comentarios y sugerencias sobre los temas de los que le gustaría que desarrollemos una lección. Muchas gracias. Balu, Barana, Barasegu, Barasegu, Bena, Benefa, Bime, Buidu, Daradu, Darasa, Dasi, Drebugu, Dice, Diu, Duna, Ebagwati, Fada, Fulo, Fuluri, Funedera, Furece, Gabana, Gagubu, Ganali, Gudeme, Gudemei, Gunda, Hello, Hanichigu, Harungogwa, Gemeni, Herenguti, Duari, Iyawo, Idibu, Koloru, Igalau, lámpara, lampo, máfago, magoali, magubo, migife, muna, mutu, neuro, picaru, seme, surucia, ubien, uma, weighty, llano, jarafa, aranço, arubana, dinguti, dumari, funati, gafe, burua beleti, gucho, haruti, rosouti, wuriti, forming nouns. Nouns may be formed by adding the suffix ni or ni to infinitives. For example, abinaha, to dance, becomes abinahani, dance. Aliha, to read, becomes alihani. Forming adjectives. Adjectives follow the nouns they modify. Adjectives must agree with the gender, masculine or feminine, and number, such as singular or plural, of the nouns they modify. Adjectives will add the following suffixes in order to do this: t or ti for singular masculine, and tu for singular feminine, and tinu for plural masculine, tiña for plural feminine. See examples below. Using adjectives to form sentences. In Garifuna, an adjective, a noun, can form a complete sentences, implying the use of the to be verb. In this case, the adjective precedes the noun it modifies. The adjective becomes a predicate adjective in this case. In English, it comes after the to be verb. For example, Gunda tu irahu, the girl is happy. Gunda tinyu irahunyu, the boys are happy. Harungo gati, barana ugunye, the sea is clear today. Now we are going to practice some exercises on lesson 3. We're going to translate the following into English from Garifuna to English. Subscribe, like, and share. Suscríbete, dale like y comparte. Donate to this project by scanning this code from Cash App. Also, if you don't have Cash App, we take PayPal. We also have a learning tool called the Garifuna Language Workbook, which is available on Amazon. Look it up under Garifuna Language Workbook.